So beta, this is a story of this is the story of life of ant. ठीक है? So please pronounce it as ant, don't aunt, no aunt. Okay. So here, have you ever observed the ants, beta, just moving on the walls? Anyone? What have you noticed? Yes, Gaurish, what have you noticed? Generally, what do they do?
यस मैम। मैम जब मैंने एंड्स को देखा तो मैम वो कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ अपने मैम पकड़ के मैम अपने जैसे एक तरह से अपने होम की तरफ लेके जाती रहती है। जैसे मैम अगर विंटर्स है तो मैम वो विंटर्स के लिए एक्स्ट्रा फूड मैम इकट्ठा करती हैं।
Exactly.
मैंने मैम इस तरह से मैम बहुत सारी एंड्स को ऑब्जर्व किया है।
Okay, fine. So many ants are there. Those who are having food in their mouth and they just carry it to somewhere. Chahek, what you have observed?
Mom, that they always move in a line.
Okay.
Mom, वो इकट्ठे चलती हैं.
Yes, in group. Okay, fine. Anyone else? Something different observation? Yes, Ipsa?
यस मैम मैम आई हैव ऑब्जर्व दैट कि जब मम्मा ने कुछ बार बिस्किट जैसा रख दिया होता है तो वो सारी एक ग्रुप में ही उसके पास आ जाती है।
Exactly. Yes. तो अगर मीठी चीज हो तो फिर तो बहुत ज्यादा अटैक करती है. Okay. So anyone else? Okay. So beta, we are going to just read the first chapter. Okay. Name the smallest insect you have seen and the wisest. So do you know the wisest? अब तो आपको पता चल ही गया है insect. ठीक है. Is this the fly? No, it is not. Is this the mosquito? No. So is it the worm? ठीक है. Again, no, none of these. So obviously, who's the wisest and the smallest insect? That is ant. The commonest means it's very common. Almost everyone, ठीक है. All people have these ants, ठीक है, in their houses. So this is the commonest. Commonest is a superlative degree of common, ठीक है. Smallest, obviously they are the smallest, but the wisest insect. So this is not only common, not only small, but the wise also. How? You will see. The story of an ant's life sounds almost untrue. Why the writer said this thing? Because in the chapter, when you will read the chapter now about the ant, you will just think that the writer is giving us false information. आपको believe नहीं होगा उसकी life पे, ठीक है? So that's why he is saying that कि it sounds untrue, but this is true, ठीक है? But people have kept ants as pets, and you will be amazed to know that there are many people who just keep them as pet also, ठीक है? And they have watched their daily behavior closely, और वो daily behavior देखते हैं. We people just see ना कि वो कहीं जा रही हैं लेके food, but what people do, they just follow them and they just try to find out where do they go, ठीक है? So they are very hardworking and intelligent creature. The ant uses its feeler. Feeler means to feel. एक tool जिससे हम feel करते हैं. So it has antenna on the head. There are two antennae almost. ठीक है? On the head side, there is one antenna. Antenna is the singular. Antennae is the plural. So she is having two antennae. Okay, and this is the feeler. So you might have noticed, beta, I have noticed so many times when it just goes on wall, है ना, जो उसकी opposite side से ants आ रही होती है, they just greet each other, ऐसे एक दूसरे को touch करके then they just move to the another ant, है ना. So with these feelers and antennae, what do? They just greet each other. They, like we say hello to each other, उनका greet करने का अपना तरीका है, ठीक है. So whenever the ants are coming from opposite direction, they touch their feelers with each other. ठीक है, जैसे हम हैंडशेक करते हैं, दे पीपल जस्ट टच देयर फीलर्स एंड दे ग्रीट ईच अदर. ठीक है, so this is the first page. I hope so it's clear. ठीक है, there is no doubt. Now I'm going to, okay, Ipsa. Ipsa, second page.
यस मैम।
Second.
देयर आर मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ ants. The commonest among them are the black or red ones. We have seen them since we were children, but have not paid enough attention to them. Where do they live? In their comfortable homes called nests or ant hills. Each has hundreds of little rooms and passages. In some of these rooms, the queen ant lays eggs. Others are nurseries for the young ones. Workers have their reserved quarters. They spend most of their time searching for food.
Okay,
Some rooms.
that's it, Ipsa. Okay, this page beta, again the easiest one. Again there are many kind of ants, ठीक है, but the common one is black or red, ठीक है. We have seen black and red also, brownish color की होती हैं, ठीक है, and they are also very dangerous बेटा, एक बहुत ज़्यादा काटती हैं, ठीक है, black and red ones. So we have seen them since we were children obviously, but we haven't paid enough attention to them, ठीक है, we haven't observed them properly. So there are mostly black and red ants. Okay, where do they live? They live in their comfortable homes. So what is the name of their home? Nest or ant hill. Okay, either nest or ant hill. You can just speak both. So each has hundreds of little rooms. So वो ant hill बनाती है, मिट्टी का होता है. You might have seen that also maybe. ठीक है. So there are hundred of rooms and passages in the ant hill. In some of these rooms, the queen ant, there is one queen ant also, and you will be amazed to know that the lifespan of this queen ant is 15 years. ठीक है, तो अगर वो किसी के पैरों के नीचे ना आए, है ना, फॉर्चुनेटली, तो जो क्वीन एंट है, इट कैन लिव अप टू 15 years. ठीक है. अदर्स आर नर्सरीज फॉर द यंग वंस. नर्सरीज यंग वंस को क्या कहते हैं? ग्रब्स. ग्रब्स इज द नेम ऑफ यंग वन ऑफ एंट. ठीक है. सो देर आर नर्सरीज ऑल्सो वेयर दे जस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ देयर यंग वंस. ठीक है. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे प्रॉपर एक नर्सरीज हॉस्पिटल होते हैं, दे पीपल ऑल्सो हैव देयर नर्सरीज टू टेक केयर ऑफ यंग वंस. वर्कर्स, वर्कर्स भी एक टाइप ऑफ एंट होती है. ठीक है. वर्कर्स, दे हैव देयर रिजर्व्ड क्वार्टर्स, दे आर ऑल्सो हैविंग देयर डिफरेंट रूम्स. ठीक है. वन इज क्वीन एंट, वन इज वर्कर एंट. अब आगे आगे देखेंगे और कौन सी है. ठीक है. सो लेट मी फाइंड आउट. वीडियो किसकी ऑन है उसको टर्न मिलेगी. चलो देवांग, complete the comprehension check, till comprehension check.
So, some rooms are served as storehouse for this food. Soldiers have separate barracks. No worker has ever tried to live in a soldier house. No soldier has ever gone out searching for food. No worker or soldier or cleaner has ever harmed a grub. So you see, an ant's life is a very peaceful. Each does its share of work intelligently and bravely, and never fights with other members of the group.
Okay. So again, beta, you can see how peaceful the life is. They are living in such a harmony, in such a peace. Worker ants have their reserved quarters. They have their rooms. Okay, they spend most of their time searching for food. So what is, जो आपने worker ants देखी है ना, जो आप कहते हो food उठा के जा रही होती हैं, they are the worker ants. ठीक है. So they just spend their whole life in searching food. ठीक है, वो food ढूंढती हैं, and then they just bring back to the ant hill. Some rooms serve as storehouses. अब जैसे गौरिश ने कहा, they just save food for winter season, है ना. So they have their storehouses also. When we people buy grocery, है ना, we have some storage place to store that grocery. Similarly, जो ants हैं, they just collect food, and there are some storehouses also. There are little rooms in the ant hills where they store their food. ठीक है. Soldiers, now soldier ant, another type. So I will ask you question in comprehension check before doing comprehension check. Okay, from these 3 pages. So there are soldier ants also. They have their separate barracks. Barracks means again rooms. Okay, building for soldiers. No worker has ever tried to live in a soldier's house. So worker ants never go to soldier house, and soldier ants never go to other house. ठीक है, वो हमेशा separately रहती हैं और peaceful way में रहती हैं. No worker or soldier or cleaner. There is cleaner ants also बेटा. ठीक है, जो क्लीन रखती हैं सारे एंट हिल को. They have never harmed a grub. Grub, I told you, young one of ant. ठीक है, जो young होती हैं ants. So you see, an ant's life is very peaceful. So they share their work intelligently, and they are very wise creatures. So I request you all to just close your books and hold it in front of you. Then I will ask you question, and turn on your video as well. ठीक है. So hold your books if you want to have turn, if you want to speak up the answers. Please hold your book. Okay, Gorish is Devang is holding his book. So Devang, my question is, just wait, let me make the question. Okay. So beta, how they greet each other with the help of what?
They greet each other with the help of antennae and flukes.
Feelers, antennae or feelers. ठीक है? Okay. So Chehak, how do they greet each other? We can easily observe where.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in anthill.
Okay, before that we can observe them. Ant hill के तो अंदर हम जा ही नहीं सकते है ना. We generally observe ants greeting each other where beta in our house.
Ma'am, where they get the food?
Okay, Gorish, same answer.
Yes, ma'am. My answer is when the cats are coming opposite to each other, then they greet with the help of their antenna.
Am I the only one who just heard the word cat? और मेरे को गलती लगी है आपने cat बोला बेटा.
Cat नहीं बोला.
Okay, ant बोला.
Cat.
Okay. I thought you just said the word cat. So okay, so when they just when some ants are coming from the opposite direction and some are going towards them and they greet each other on the wall especially. Okay. Okay. Next one is Vaibhav. Please hold your book in front of you, please. Okay. So my question is, beta, tell me the kinds of ants. जितनी भी आपको याद
Ma'am,
है.
there are commonly two ants that we, ma'am, there are commonly two ants. First is black ant and second is red ant.
Okay, that is the color. So any names beta you can give to the ants. Okay, Ipsa. Ipsa, unmute first beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there are grubs and queen ant and nurseries ant.
Nursery में grubs रहते हैं, ठीक है? Nursery is the place. There is queen ant, okay. There are young grubs also, okay. Any other?
Ma'am, soldiers,
Soldiers, yes.
cleaners, cleaners,
Cleaners, okay. One is left only, worker, I think. So
workers.
worker ants, soldier ants, cleaner, queen ant, ठीक है? And grubs also, they are the young ones, okay. So let me find out one more student who's holding his or her book. Saksham Samad, please turn on your video. Harmeet, why their life is so peaceful?
Because they do not fight with anyone, and their life is very intelligent and bravely.
Okay, because they don't fight with each other, they don't interfere in each other's life, and they share their work. The main reason is they share their responsibilities. Okay, that's why their life is peaceful. Okay, so now, beta, I'm moving to the comprehension check. Who will tell me the answers? Please tell me one by one. So this you have to do on book only. This comprehension check, not in notebook. Okay. So 1 minute. Amarjot, first answer. Why he said that almost untrue? Untrue क्यों कहा उसने? इन तीनों में से बेटा.
Ma'am, no, based on facts.
It is based on fact बेटा. ये लोगों ने इसको pet रखा था. Then they just made these type of things. So this is based on
Yes,
fact.
ma'am, too remarkable to be true.
Yes. The life of ant is too remarkable. It's so ठीक है, wonderful that it's difficult to believe that. ठीक है. So the life of ant is so remarkable that we think that this is untrue, but actually this is true. Okay. Okay. Next one is complete the following sentences. Madhav. An ant is the smallest.
Ma'am, the ant is the smallest insect and I have ever seen.
Okay, fine. You can write this thing. But there is comma, that means there are some more adjectives that we can use for ant. है ना? So smallest जैसे और adjective.
Smallest and the wisest.
Wisest, smallest, commonest. ठीक है? You can write these two more. The ant is the smallest, commonest and wisest insect. ठीक है, so commonest, common लिख के est, okay, and wisest. Okay, next is we know a number of facts about an ant's life because why we just come to know that the life of ant is like this. किसने बताया हमें? Who will tell me? Adgun.
Ma'am, because there are people who have kept ants as pets and have watched them closely.
Exactly, yes. So because there are people, ठीक है, who have kept them as pet and then they have given us this information, ठीक है. So it's on page first, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth line, ठीक है, page 1, sixth line. Okay, next one is Jasmine. Jasmine, why do we say that ant's life is peaceful? Jasmine, please pick out the correct option. Okay, she's not here, I think. Anyone else? Yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, an ant's life is peaceful because they do not fight with each other. They share everything with each other and they don't interfere in anybody's life.
Okay. Okay, this is your answer. Well done. So, beta, this can come in exam and you can write this example also. Okay. So now I'm moving to the next part. So Karthik, you can read because you are unmuted till sunshine. Next page, image के ऊपर sunshine.
Okay. The queen is the mother of the entire population of the colony. It lives for about 15 years. It has a pair of wings, but bites them off after its wedding flight. This flight takes place on a hot summer day. The queen leaves the nest and goes out to meet a male ant or drone high up in the air. On its return to Earth, it gets rid of its wings and they does nothing but lay eggs. Eggs hatch and grubs come out. Soldiers guard them. Workers feed and clean them and also carry them about daily for airing, exercise and sunshine.
Okay. So I'm going to explain this. Then you can listen to me very carefully. Okay. Then I'll give chance to Gorish to read. Okay. So let me go back. Wait. The queen is the mother of entire population. ठीक है, this is the queen ant. ठीक है, so it gives so many eggs and then ants come out. ठीक है, it lives for about 15 years. I told you earlier also. It has a pair of wings but bites them off after its wedding flight. So kind of wedding बेटा, जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे wedding होती है. So before after just meeting the male ant, जस्ट इट बाइट्स देम ऑफ. ठीक है, जो इसके पेयर ऑफ विंग्स होते हैं तो ये उसको काट देती है. ठीक है, द क्वीन लीव्स द नेस्ट एंड गोज आउट टू मीट द मेल एंट और ड्रोन. ठीक है, मेल एंट को और क्या कहते हैं? ड्रोन. हाई अप इन द एयर. सो ऑन इट्स रिटर्न टू अर्थ इट गेट्स रिड of its wing and then does nothing but lays eggs. So once she come back after meeting a male ant, just it gives eggs. ठीक है, give me 1 minute beta. There is one vegetable vendor outside. Oh, just wait. Okay, this flight. Wait, please. Okay, I think he will stay here for I think 5 minutes, so I can't waste time. So okay, so queen leaves the nest. Okay, why she leaves the nest? To meet the male ant. Then she comes back and then she lays eggs. Okay, eggs hatch and grubs come out. So eggs बेटा hatch हो जाते हैं, उसमें से who comes out? Grubs. Soldier जो होते हैं they guard them. So soldier ants का काम क्या होता है? Just to guard the grubs. Okay, वर्कर्स क्या करती हैं? वर्कर्स फीड देम एंड क्लीन देम एंड ऑल्सो कैरी देम अबाउट डेली फॉर एयरिंग, एक्सरसाइज एंड सनशाइन. फिर वो ग्रब्स को बाहर भी लेके जाती हैं. वाई? जस्ट टू गेट एयर, ठीक है, फॉर देयर एक्सरसाइज, टू गेट देम सनशाइन ऑल्सो. ठीक है. सो यस गौरिश, यू कैन रीड फर्दर.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 2 or 3 weeks later, grubs become cocoons and lie without food or activity for 3 weeks more. Then the cocoons break and perfect ants learn and perfect ants appear. Now it's time for teaching and learning. New ants learn their duties from old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. After a few weeks of training, the small ants are ready to go out into the big world of work. An ant hill is a home not only for ants but also for some other creatures like beetles, lesser breeds of ants, and the greenfly. Why do ants want these alien creatures to live in their nests? For several reasons. Some give off smell pleasant to the ant senses, others give sweet juices, and some are just pets or playthings like cats and dogs to human beings. The green fly is the ant's cow. The ants
Okay,
train.
that's it.
Okay, ma'am.
ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Okay, so बेटा now they have just explained the life cycle of, जैसे आप साइंस में पढ़ते हो ना frog का life cycle, like that they have just shown us the life cycle of ant. ठीक है. तो grubs जो होते हैं they just come out of the egg, ठीक है, cocoons, and then they just lie there. वो ऐसे पड़े रहते हैं for 3 weeks without food or activity. They just lie still. ठीक है, ऐसे still पड़े रहते हैं. Then the cocoons break and perfect ants appear. फिर finally they just break their cocoons and then they come out and they just come out as ants. अब birth तो हो गया. ठीक है. Now what is the time? It's time for teaching and training session. ठीक है. तो अब उनका क्या हो रहा है? Teaching and training session. Who is helping them? Again worker ants, soldier ants, builder ants, cleaners, वो सारा कुछ उनको सिखा रही हैं. ठीक है. After a few weeks training, the small ants are ready to go out into the big world of work. So after few weeks, now they are the mature ants and they are independent now. ठीक है. अब ant hill की बात बताई दोबारा. It's a home not only for ants but also for some other creatures. So what type of other creatures live in the ant hill? Beetles, some rare ants, ठीक है, जो different types की ants होती हैं वो, and green fly. So why do ants want these alien creatures? Alien means outside, from outside. ठीक है. Why they allow these creatures to live there? So there are many reasons. Some creature give them nice smell. ठीक है. कई creatures इतनी अच्छी smell आ रही होती है that ants को अच्छी लगती है वो smell. ठीक है. So they just let them live in their ant hill. तो उसको वो रहने देती हैं. ठीक है, अपने घर में. So why? Because they give good smell and ant feel satisfied and ant feel good after smelling that pleasant smell. Second reason is some give sweet juices. अब कई इंसेक्ट होते हैं जो जूसेस देते हैं. ठीक है, स्वीट जूस. तो एंड यू नो दैट बेटा स्वीट इज द स्वीटनेस इज समथिंग दैट द एंट लाइक्स द मोस्ट. तो स्वीट जूसेस अगर देंगे तो ऑब्वियसली दे विल लेट देम लिव इन देयर एंट हिल. एंड सेकंड, कईयों को तो उन्होंने अपने एज पेट रखा हुआ है. सो नॉट ओनली वी आर जस्ट कीपिंग सम पेट्स एट आवर होम, इवन एंट्स ने अपने एंट हिल्स में भी पेट्स रखे हुए हैं. ठीक है, लाइक ह्यूमन बींग्स. तो देयर इज वन ग्रीन फ्लाई. ठीक है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? एंट्स काउ. तो लाइक वी पीपल गेट मिल्क फ्रॉम काउ ना, काउ एंड बफलो. सिमिलरली एंट्स ऑल्सो गेट देयर मिल्क फ्रॉम ग्रीन फ्लाई. ठीक है. तो आई थिंक कैन वी कंप्लीट इट? ओनली 2 paragraphs are left. Okay, we'll complete it. आदगुन जल्दी से बेटा पेज कंप्लीट कर दो.
Yes, ma'am. The green fly is the ant's cow. The ant's train is to give honeydew like milk with a touch of the antennae. They milk it just as we milk the cow. Have humans learned as much as ants have? Perhaps they have. but they haven't put their learning to good use. They may still learn a few things from this tiny teacher: hard work, sense of duty and discipline, cleanliness, care for the young ones, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land where they live.
Yes, okay. So beta, जो green fly है, this is the, and please get ready for question answers also from inside, ठीक है? बाकी तो हम कल discuss करेंगे, it's okay. So honey dew beta is a sticky substance जो थोड़ा मीठा होता है, ठीक है? So green fly is having one sticky substance in it. So what do ants do? They just touch their antennae with it and the milk comes out, ठीक है? उस honey dew में से एक sweet सा substance आता है, ठीक है? जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Ants milk, ठीक है? जो ant के लिए होता है. So have humans learned as much as ants have? Perhaps they have. So no doubt we have knowledge that ants are very hardworking. They work so hard, but actually we have not applied that thing in our life. Okay. So we need to learn hard work, sense of duty, discipline, cleanliness, care for young ones, all the things from the ant. And the most important thing is firm loyalty. Loyalty is faithfulness. ठीक है, दे आर वेरी फेथफुल टू ईच अदर, ठीक है, वो कभी भी एक दूसरे को कभी भी धोखा नहीं देंगे, दे आर सो लॉयल टू ईच अदर. सो वी नीड टू लर्न दीज टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स फ्रॉम द एंड्स, ठीक है. So this is the end of the chapter and the easy one also, I think. So please close your book quickly. I'll ask you question. I'll ask you normal question, not the scientific नहीं पूछूंगी, ठीक है. Okay. So Jasmine, hold your book, please. So my question is, beta, when does the queen ant cut off the wings, pair of wings?
Then he goes for a wedding flight.
When she goes
To meet.
for a wedding flight to meet a male ant. ठीक है. So next is Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
So my question is, beta, after the egg hatches and grubs come out, then what type of ants perform their duty?
Ma'am, worker ants guard them and
Soldier.
oh sorry, ma'am, soldier ant guard them and worker clean them
And feed.
and feed them.
Exactly. Yes. So next is Argun on my screen. Argun, for how many weeks the grubs remain still without food and activity?
Ma'am, 2 or 3 weeks.
Okay, 3 weeks, not 2, 3 weeks.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Next one is Jasmine. I'm unmuting you again, beta, but you are not doing so. Next is Bishop. Bishop, after they break the cocoons, now they are looking like a perfect ant. Now it's time for dash and dash. After they just become, they have become a full ant, proper ant. Jasmine can tell, Ipsa can tell, anyone can tell.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's time for the training.
Training session, okay. Now it's time for teaching and training. Yes, Jotin, please unmute. I haven't. Ipsa,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
yes, beta, you can ask.
Ma'am,
Before
जो
that,
आपने
Ipsa, 1 minute, beta, bas, 1 minute. So, Adgun, please do me a favor again, beta. Take the screenshot. It's
Yes.
5 already. Okay, I haven't taken.
Okay.
Yes, Ipsa, you can speak, beta.
मैम जो पैराग्राफ आपने कल करवाया था मैम वो हमने फिर कॉपी पे करना है.
Yes, beta, of course. The day I helped the needy person, you are asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have to do it in field. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, beta. So, beta, rest of the questions I will ask tomorrow. Okay. So let her take the screenshots and then you can leave the meeting. Okay. So, Adgun, please let us know as soon as you have taken it.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Okay. Now, beta,
Yes,
everyone, you can leave the meeting and you can join the next class. Okay. So, take care. Oh, I'll meet you tomorrow then.